everyone. Given that angle GHJ is a complement of angle RST and angle RST is a supplement of angle, cross that out, angle ABC, find the measures of angle RST and angle ABC if the measure of GHJ is 30 degrees. So let's set this up. First of all, just know that supplementary angles at their sum is 180, and complementary angles, their sum is 90. So let's fill this out by reading it. The measure of angle GHJ plus the measure of RST should equal 90 degrees because it says it's a complement of angle that. So next it says the angle RST plus the measure of angle ABC, it's a supplement, so that equals 180 degrees. So I'm going to use the fact that the measure of angle GHJ is 30 degrees and substitute into this. So we have 30 degrees plus the measure of angle RST equals 90 degrees. Subtract 30 from both sides, 30 degrees. And you get the measure of angle RST equals 60 degrees. So we found that measure. So the measure of angle RST equals 60 degrees. All right, now we're going to go to this line. We know the measure of RST is 60, so we're going to write 60 plus the measure of ABC equals 180. So if you subtract 60 from both sides, you get the measure of angle ABC. I'll just put it here. Measure of angle ABC equals 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. Okay, I have two more that you can do and we'll go over. So it's the same thing. We're going to write the measure of angle GHJ plus the measure of RST equals the angle RST equals 90 degrees because it's a complement of angle, and the measure of RST plus the measure of angle ABC equals 180 degrees. Put degrees here. All right. We know that the measure of angle GHJ is 20. So we're going to substitute it in here. 20 degrees plus the measure of angle RST equals 90. You can do this mentally or subtract 20 degrees from both sides. So we know the measure of angle RST equals 70 degrees. Now we're going to substitute this 70 degrees into this equation. Right there, we're going to replace it with 70 degrees plus the measure of angle ABC equals 180 degrees. Subtract 70 from both sides, and you get the measure of angle ABC equals 110 degrees. So there's your two answers right there. And finally, we have this one. So you write that out again. Let me do something real quick. All right. So we have the measure of angle GHJ plus the measure of angle RST equals 90 degrees. And the measure of angle RST plus the measure of ABC equals 180 degrees. And then we have this information, and we're going to substitute by replacing measure of angle GHJ with 64 degrees. And you subtract 64 from both sides. And you get the measure of angle RST equals 28 degrees. All right, now we're going to substitute this, 26 degrees, sorry about that. 26 plus 64 equals 90. So I just double checked mentally. So let's plug it in here. So we have 26 degrees plus the measure of angle ABC equals 180 degrees. 12 degrees there. So subtract 26 from both sides. Minus 26 minus 26. And you're going to get 154 degrees. So that is your two answers right here. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.